Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my wonderful channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I really do appreciate. If today's the first time you are coming across this channel, I am Agatha Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you know, in this channel we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. And in this channel as well, we create our own content. Yes, sir, we create our own content most of the time to entertain our followers and to tell them all what that goes on around the globe. If you like what we do in this channel, please don't fail, subscribe and join this beautiful channel so that you get the latest updates. See you. I don't know what you get about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from this video. All right, my wonderful family, watch this video and drop your opinion in the comment section, and I will be right back.
What is his name? The Hausa man. Abdullahi Moses, right?
Moses Abdullahi.
Moses Abdullahi. Does can he not tell us that he's not seeing all these things? People are being languishing. Get them the Kajin. Can I get abundant Nima what to me? Kowa is Samun Lapia. Can I G? Abundant Nima Kowa is Samun Lapia. Almajiri kota ina ne saka ganin fulai almajiri duk almajirin da ganin su Hausa amma da malamin nasu nan ka san abin da ya mutu kai ya kamata kai nan ka jallayi da wa'ansu suke bin ka baya domin mu samu referendum shine muke nimawa ba mu magana cewa mu fasa Nigeria kana gane ko ba mu magana mu fasa Nigeria amma da mu fasa Nigeria through referendum. Ka gama mutanenka ka san cewa mutane suna shan wahala ko ta ina mutane na shan wahala babu makaranta babu asibiti babu abinci amma an ga maka cewa kowane Monday kuma muna so wa'angan abun nan ya replicate ko ta ina a cikin Nigeria kowane Monday wa'angan sacrifice ka zo na a gidanka ka shayi ko kuma ka yi dinga kalle movies ko kuma Nigerian movie ko kuma Hausawa movie kula domin wa'angan mutanen nan yanzu da in ka ga mu wangan kasuwancin nan ran juma za a kama ka a saka a police detention ka samu bail ka samu bail kai Friday
One Osi, Moses just wrote now, say, so sorry. I now understand this, my brother, very well. Go ahead. Be talking. There is a deliverance already. There is a deliverance already. There is a deliverance already.
Kowa ya bi bayan mazin nan da Kano. Mazin nan da Kano shi baya nima cewa zaman da Afra kawai. A'a, abin da yake nima zaman lafiya kowa da kowa. Wannan mazin nan da Kano komi abin da yake yi yana yin shi a confines of the law. A 2012 ya agitate for one Nigeria. Ya yi protest in the front of British High Commission a London. Ya ga musu cewa wai da Allah kashe-kashen nan da aka kakkashe mutane wa'angan terrorist nan da kaka gani ko ta ina dan Allah Nigerian government su danna wa'angan kashe-kashen nan. Amma da abin da ba mu ma so repeat of 1967-1970 domin akwai mutane bayan nan da suke so su faffasa Nigeria amma da sun nan da suke a Britain suna so su yi aiki da Nigerian government peacefully. To na ka musu wangan maganan nan ba su ji ba shi da muka daga Biafra flag. Ka taba ganin cewa ka gan wani wanda ya kama bindiga ya ce wai yana protest abinda muke agitate din nashi Biafra flag kawai suna kakkashe mana ka gane ko suna kakkashe mana saboda menene yan uwana kana ji Nigerian media ba inda za su zanga ga maka gaske abin da yake faruwa za ga maka allegedly kwanakin bayan nan one of the program where mai gidan mu yayi over 90 people an kashe su a anguwa Hausawa an ce allegedly muna ganin mutane suna mummutu a gama allegedly kana gane ko abai yan uwana abin da nake so Moses Abdullahi ka gama ka tura wa'angan message din nan Kay advertise on the message to me kowa ye can way abayon this every day Monday, just one day. Because on Friday, if they catch you, they will put you in prison. You are also going to spend that money that you deliberately went to sell what I want to sell. So my brother, continue. I love the program. I love the program. Continue. I'm here with you.
So what we are actually doing here now is that my page. I don't know if this is your first time of coming across this page. I've been running the program for a while now, and what I'm trying to do, or what I stand to achieve, is to actually unite all the Igbos. You know, the Igbos I'm talking about. Oh, my data. I'm talking about all the Biafrans from Ngbake to Kwale to Ahaba, coming to Anambra, going to Akwa Ibom, going to Ikwere, part of Benue, and some of these areas. My work is to unite everybody as one. And why do the reason why I troll on this part is that I've watched our culture, I've watched our traditional heritage. Generally, I've looked into what is called value system, what we are known with. I've discovered that we are nothing but one. But politically, we are divided. Politically, British-wise, Portuguese agenda, whatsoever, we are divided. And when you look into some of the history they have written concerning us as a people, those history is not in any way speaking of our unity. The history is there to divide us the more. And one of the greatest lies we have been told in this area is that history that they kept for us. The history is one of our biggest problems as far as this area is concerned. Somebody is laughing. I know we are going to be drinking beer with some of my people this morning. Whether you like it or not, we are sitting at home, we'll be enjoying. I just put something on my screen there. If you think you can't get to us, that you want to buy me a carton of beer, there is an account there, put it there. I'm not ashamed of what I'm doing. That is by the way. Another one is that the Hausa man, Moses, should understand that part of the fight is as well to liberate them. Well, when you look at what is actually happening in what is actually playing out in Plateau State, Plateau, as in Jos and all that, there are more of Christians there, and they are more being oppressed than we, the Igbos. The Hausas are more being oppressed than us. We, the Igbos, we are feeding well. The only problem we have is that the government has refused to include us in their policy. The government has refused to take us along in their national cake. That's the problem. When you come to Igbo land, starting from that, you never see any government build estate, housing scheme or whatsoever. There is no pipe-borne water. All the nothing. There is no good road. All the houses you find from Delta State to Anambra is built by. There is no present federal government present in our land. Everything in our land is built by us and by individuals. So the truth is that the problem we are having here, the Hausas are yet to understand that the fight we are fighting is also to liberate them. To liberate them. The Hausa shoemakers, the Hausas that are shoemakers, walking up and down in the eastern state, is anybody intimidating them? Nobody is intimidating them. Nobody is killing them. The Hausas that are selling in their kiosks in our areas, nobody is killing them. We are not seeing them as a threat to us. But our people in the northern part are being seen as a threat to them. So there is a lot of things. We are more homing, more welcoming, more understanding than these people who are fighting us. Today, what we are only trying to show people, the level of compliance to the core of this ghost town that just kicked off today. The whole Igbo whatsoever, the whole Igbo governors came out they paid their whatsoever media agent. They made a lot of advert as of yesterday, day before yesterday, that the call to sit at home has been called off. But to my own greatest surprise, coming outside today to see the level of compliance, the heart city, the city of power of Anambra State, Oka, comply more than Onitsha. The Oka comply more than Onitsha. You know, the videos, everything are there. People are calling, we're making call, having chat with people, seeing what is playing out. Then this should as well bring it to their notice to know that the people has actually spoken. What is there? They have their leader already. The truth is that we have failed to realize or to recognize the Eza. So I want us to change the narrative. So you can come up from here. Some people are saying we should bring them in to air their view on the topic. But just talk to her because I've heard your voice in one of these our communication on Radio Biafra while you are anchoring a program with Hausa language. My brother, first time of meeting you, and I had to be on Facebook. I had to acknowledge your effort. I say, me chuko kika bia ma puri mi yenine. Gozie genwa chineke. Otosi we nkoye ma no ye me iye wetera nwere onwe anyị si me.
Watch Chineke. You know, any opportunity that we see, we grab that opportunity. This is my first time because I have to look into internet to see what is going on. Just waking up.
Yeah.
Now, I saw that there are people who are coming in more. So that is to say that people force themselves to come into your platform. And right now, as I'm speaking right now, thousands are watching. And I'm speaking to you right now. Don't be surprised. A lot of major radio African platform are streaming what we are seeing to educate people. People like this Abdullahi Moses that just said that he has to understand what we are doing. Now, one of the points that you made, which is true, and that is one of the reasons that we are fighting, there is no federal presence in our land. Everything that we have, it's self-made. Because how do you expect somebody to survive with 20 pounds after the war? No matter how much you have, how do you expect that? And because that God hands is upon us, that is why we have been able to succeed. Now, this is to make sure that they deliberately suppress us in every. Could you believe that as I'm speaking to you? A lot of people who are into business importing goods, you cannot be able to import anything in Nigeria. When you buy a car, a truck, you cannot load it because that is exactly where our people can be able to make profit. The people who are into business, they can only allow you to import empty car. What are you going to do? You know what I'm saying now? See our businesses, how they've been burning it down. And most of these people who have been affected, I know they are complying, but those who have not been directly affected, why can't you learn from the history? Why are you helping the Fulanis to achieve their dream? Why? That is unacceptable. Now, let me also take you back on recently what happened. The spokesperson of the Mieti Allah, I will say Mieti Allah, but the actual name of that is a Coalition Northern Nigeria. This Abdulaziz Suleiman, whatever he called himself.
Yeah.
That recently he came into IBBC Igbo to use in English language to speak to us in order to project one false hope to our minds of people. Number one is this: why did the IBB